from Durham asking, how far in advance should someone meal prep for, weekly or monthly? That really depends on how much freezer space you have, how much fridge space you have, and how much time you have. Yeah,
like you say, you freeze a lot of your stuff. If it's fresh, obviously it's just a weekly thing. So the food will go bad, right? So but if you have the freezer space and you're really planning out and buying an extensive amount at one time to save money, then it's kind of like two steps. Procurement and then preparation. Preparation will be closer to the, on a weekly basis, but the procurement could be for even months at a time. And I'll be honest with you, just think financially, not to be the bearer of bad news, but I don't see how prices are going to go down over the next couple months when it costs more and more money to ship them to the store on a truck that burns gasoline, right? So even if all your costs of production are the same, the cost of transportation is definitely going up, which is going to drive up the cost. So if you see a deal now and you got the freezer space, buy it while it's cheaper, because it's going to be more expensive in July and August. I promise.
That's a great point.
And so it's a money saver, kind of a no-brainer. Right?
Absolutely. So good question, Sarah, but it's up to you. I usually do weekly unless I can foresee in my calendar there's something crazy going on. Then I'll make like double Philly cheesesteak casserole.
That's right.
And freeze one of them.
Exactly. So and you can even do like I do, is like I talked about over the weekend. You just make a couple of days of food at one time. It's not going to work if you and your spouse hate eating the same thing twice in a day, but for me, it's no big deal.
Right. Or you sprinkle in something like the elite prep meal. So you make a couple of meals for the week, and you have that kind of every other day. And then in between, if you don't want to eat the same thing every day, you have some really great options with the elite prep with their different proteins and stuff. So that can really help keep it interesting.